Is it very fast to heat up? It's faster than my left one. Although you've repaired my left one, haven't you? So it's good now. It's quiet, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quiet.
Very quiet
Yeah.
compared to the others. Does it usually take about a minute?
I'll just put it on for a minute so I can see that it's on. So
Yeah.
we'll just give it a minute and then see what it's like.
Yeah, it's because they're using inverters, you see, not a big, massive transformer. That's why they're quiet.
Is it only Gaggenau that use inverters?
Well, Miele have gone over to inverters now,
A lot
but
of them
Miele
have.
just use massive, big transformers and
Yeah, they're noisy. aren't
massive capacity. You go, boom.
Yeah.
They're more reliable over time.
Yeah, you should have a lot of power, didn't you?
4 seconds.
There we go.
And a nice quiet beep as well.
Hot.
Still going.
Oh! That's definitely
That's
okay.
where